sneeze prank on my brother.
Sorry.
What was that?
I sneezed, dog.
Hey,
Sorry.
get your motherfucking boogie woogies off me right the fuck now.
Bro, I'm sorry. I'm sick.
What do you mean you're sick? It's COVID. Wipe this shit off, bro. I don't want your boogie woogies on me, G.
Mike, just
Yeah, wipe it off.
wipe it. Go like this. Wipe it. Just smudge it in or something.
What do you mean smudge it in you? It's boogies, bro. I don't want your nasty, slimy, red, juicy boogie woogies, G. I don't want them.
I'm sorry.
Wipe them the fuck
I'm
off.
sorry.
Wipe it. Wipe it!